Welcome back to Aussie Coinage Hunters. Well, today I just got this package in the mail. And we'll have a look at it in a minute. The main reason for this video is that I just like to wish all my subscribers a Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve here in Australia, so I just thought I'd make a quick video and wish everyone a Merry Christmas. And yeah, we might talk a bit about some things, and yeah, while we have a look at what I've got here. Now, these ain't coins. These are just some banknotes I just picked up. So yeah, we'll have a look. So for anyone that doesn't know, these are Australian $1 and $2 banknotes. Now, these ain't in circulation anymore. The Australian government scrapped them, and well, we got coins. So there's a $1 coin just here. So yeah, we got coins now. So yeah, these ain't rare. The signatures are just the common ones. So no, this is Johnson and Stone. So yeah. And these are Johnston, and the $2 Johnson and Fraser. So they're not rare. I just picked them up. I do collect banknotes as well. So yeah, we'll have a quick look. This one's in pretty good condition. It's not uncirculated, but I'd say it's very fine. Just one crease here. So yeah, I actually like these notes. But they were scrapped in 88, I believe. That's when we got... Actually, 84 was, I believe, the first $1 coin. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments below. And 88 was our first $2 coin. So, yeah. So, yeah, I just hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. Hopefully you can all enjoy the day with your family and friends. It's been a rough year for, well, basically everyone. So I just hope that yeah, you can celebrate with family and friends, and yeah, try and enjoy the day. And hopefully we get a better year for 2021. Well, I hope so, because yeah. In Australia, we've been, I wouldn't say lucky, but yeah, we haven't been as hard a hit as most other countries in the world. So besides Victoria where I live, yeah, it was pretty bad for a few months. We were in hard lockdown. And when I mean hard lockdown, you could only go out for the essentials, for food, and yeah, you couldn't do much else, so it was tough for a while, not seeing anyone, but yeah, we've come through all that, and seems like we're on the right track. So yeah, so this is the $2 with the ram. So if people have been watching my other videos, there was a ram's head 50-cent coin. I'm not sure if I have one here on me. I might. Oh, there we go. So there's the ram's head 50-cent coin. So yeah, and there's the ram on the $2 banknote. Yeah, I still well, for my goals for 2021, I do plan on keeping this channel going. I never thought I'd make a channel to do with coins and banknotes and that. I've always wanted to, but I just never had the time. One positive for me that come out of what's going on this year is that I've been able to do this, and I should be able to continue to do this, as yeah, I can yeah, I've just got more time on my hands now, so I can just continue to make videos and hopefully, yeah, continue the coin videos. And I might do some more banknote videos. I do have pre-decimal banknotes, Australian. I do have a lot of world banknotes, or many. If there's any interest in me doing any videos on the banknotes, let me know in the comments below. Or anything else. I'm willing to, yeah, make videos on some things that people might be interested in. As I said, I do plan on doing more top 5 videos. I hope to do a top 5 video for each of the Australian coins. What I think might, are the rarest and hardest coins to come by. The 50-cent one seems to be very popular. And yeah, I think yeah, there is some unique coins, Australian coins that not many know about. So yeah, I hope to bring you more of that in 2021. And yeah, let's hope that 2021's a better year for us all. And yeah, hopefully there'll be some good coin releases from the Royal Australian Mint. And I know I mentioned in one of my previous videos about the Great Aussie Coin Hunt, there is going to be another one, and it looks like there's going to be a $1 coloured coin along with that. So that's going to be interesting to see what it would look like. Going back to the first Aussie Coin Hunt, I was hoping to complete the Master Collection, which is everything that was released. I didn't get to because I didn't get the envelope privy for the A, and I also wanted the PNC, but now they're going for anywhere from $350 to $400, so I don't feel comfortable paying that price. I do think that they've hit their peak. I'm not sure if they'll go up any more. They could, but it just seems that they've hit their peak. And again, not sure how the Aussie Coin Hunt coins will go in the future. It just doesn't seem there's as much interest in them as other coin releases. So yeah, that's something to think about. And that's why I'm not comfortable paying the 400. Look, I could be wrong. It could go up more in the future because they are limited. But if they do, then that's bad luck for me. Yeah, so I just hope everything, it's going to be a better year next year. And be safe. Enjoy your Christmas. And I'll be making a video after Christmas sometime. And with coin noodling, I'll get back into that in the new year. For now, I just want to take a break from it all. And yeah, I know sometimes I ramble on in my videos, but yeah, I just want to let everyone know what's going on. And yeah, again, Merry Christmas to everyone in Australia and overseas. And yeah, and I'll catch you on the, yeah, and just thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the support, all the comments. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let's hope 2021 is a better year for all of us. Okay, I'll catch you on the next video.